baked whitefish with a zesty crust. Here's what you'll need to prepare this recipe. Start by removing the crust from one slice of white bread. Tear the bread into pieces and pop it in a food processor with a handful or so of fresh flat leaf parsley. Buzz the mixture until it is finely chopped and then transfer it to a small mixing bowl. To the mixing bowl, add some freshly grated Parmesan cheese, a clove of chopped garlic, the zest and juice of half a lemon, a couple of tablespoons of olive oil, and salt and pepper to taste. Stir to combine, and then drizzle a little olive oil on a baking sheet. Add the fish, turn it so that it is coated in the oil, and then slather on that Parmesan, parsley, garlic, lemon mixture. Bake at 425 for 7 to 10 minutes or until the fish flakes easily with a fork and it's ready to serve. I hope you enjoyed this video. For the complete recipe, please visit us at arkansasonline.com/cooking.